In any kitchen, knives must be well sharpened, and this is because a dull knife not only does not do the work, but can even cause accidents. One of the best methods is using a sharpening stone, which will be kept in water for around 15 minutes before using it. While sharpening the knife on the stone, you want to water the stone from time to time and start first with a smaller granulation stone and finish by using a larger grit stone to achieve a final sharpening. A fine paste will form on the surface of the stone, which is crucial for sharpening the blade. The knife's sharpening angle can vary from 15 to 25 degrees, and you can find this angle by feeling with your fingertips the tightest possible contact between the stone and the edge of the knife. The best way to test the knife's sharpness is to cut a tomato. If the blade will easily slice in a single movement without pressure, then the knife is sharp. You can also use a sharpening steel before any cutting operation or when you feel you need it. The method is quite simple, and you have to pay attention to how firmly you hold the steel and the knife in your hands so that you can secure as much of safety as possible, trying to keep your sharpening angle. For beginners, it would be much safer that the knife blade will move away from any part of the human body.